指を噛まれたことはある？覚えて。デンジ君の目が見えなくなっても、私の噛む力で私だってわかるくらいに。覚えて。
Hello everyone! Welcome to Learn Japanese with Anime. I'm Jasmine. On my channel, you can learn real Japanese through conversations used by anime characters. I created 4 questions that strengthen your listening skills and increase your vocabulary. For each question, listen to the conversation and fill in the blank space with the most appropriate word of the 4 options. Choose your answer while the conversation is played twice. After checking the answer, we will practice pronunciation together. Well, let's get started.
Question 1. First try.
手のひらは冷たい？
Second try.
手のひらは冷たい？
Answer.
Makima said, 手のひらは冷たい？ The answer is B. 冷たい。
Cold.
Check out the other options. 眠たい。
Sleepy.
平たい。
Flat, even.
重たい。
Heavy. Pronunciation practice.
Please repeat after me. 眠たい。冷たい。平たい。重たい。Now listen to the word in English and pronounce it in Japanese.
Sleepy. Cold. Flat. Heavy.
You're doing a good job.
Question 2. First try.
デンジ君の目が見えなくなっても、
Second try.
デンジ君の目が見えなくなっても。
Answer.
Makima said, デンジ君の目が見えなくなっても。The answer is A. 目。
Eye.
Check out the other options. へ。
Fart.
手。
Hand.
胃。
Stomach. Pronunciation practice.
Please repeat after me. 目。へ。手。胃。Now listen to the word in English and pronounce it in Japanese.
Eye. Fart. Hand. Stomach.
Perfect.
Question 3. First try.
私の噛む力で私だってわかるくらいに。
Second try.
私の噛む力で私だってわかるくらいに。
Answer.
Makima said, 私の噛む力で私だってわかるくらいに。The answer is D. 噛む。
Bite.
Check out the other options. 編む。
Knit.
産む。
Give birth.
読む。
Read. Pronunciation practice.
Please repeat after me. 編む。産む。読む。噛む。Now listen to the word in English and pronounce it in Japanese.
Knit. Give birth. Read. Bite.
Outstanding!
Question 4. First try.
指の長さはどれくらい？
Second try.
指の長さはどれくらい？
Answer.
Makima said, 指の長さはどれくらい？ The answer is A. 長さ。
Length.
Check out the other options. 若さ。
Youth.
広さ。
Width. Size.
深さ。
Depth. Pronunciation practice.
Please repeat after me. 長さ。若さ。広さ。深さ。Now listen to the word in English and pronounce it in Japanese.
Length. Youth. Width. Depth.
Excellent! Check the description box if you want to learn kanji. The 60 new Japanese words can be found there. That's all! How did it go? If you did learn something new, make sure to click that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching my channel. I really appreciate you. I will see you in the next video. じゃあねー。